There we are today, our second roof clean of 2026 to remove the moss. Just got the scaffolding set up. This is the front of the house. Just on this roof job, and there's a cat just come to see us, but because Mel likes cats, she always has some dreamies in the van, so now we've got a friend. Look. So we've moved everything from the front, so just at the side now, so we've got the back there, everything's in position. .30-foot pole, but we do have a 45-foot pole in the van, so we're going to have to make that up in a minute. If I hadn't have had the scaffolding, it's too far away, we could have reached, but I need the scaffolding for the legs. So we've got the vacuum out now, Mel's down there, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 poles on. Just as so much stuff hadn't gone on the roof, we're going to vacuum out the gutters, and then like I say, there's only 2 more rows to get to, so we've nearly done this side. This side's been quite good, but Mel did do a lot of it yesterday, to be honest. She did 2 tiles. I'm joking, Mel's looking at me now. I'm going to have to put the camera down because I need to hold all this with 2 hands.